We're going to use a piece of software that's a screen capture software called Jing. So I'm going to type Jing in the search window and hit enter. And this is a piece of software made by TechSmith. So I'm going to go ahead and click that link. And I'm going to scroll down and choose free download. I'm going to choose the type of computer that I have. And choose save the file. This is the application file. And I have set my browser settings so that the downloads go to my desktop. So you can either launch the application here by double-clicking this and run the application, or you can launch it here and run the application. You can accept the fine print and install. It takes a minute or so for the install. So once Jing is ready, you just choose finish, and you will notice that this yellow sun gets added to the top of your computer window. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And if I hover over the sun, you can see the three arms. That's the history, saving your files. That's the capture. And this is some settings, so I can choose a microphone. If I want to capture, I can click on that capture. I can hold my left mouse key down, draw a square, choose capture the image. Then I could put an arrow on that image. I could put some text. I can choose the colors, choose the format, just put it right there. Oh, I want that to be capital. And then I can copy this and paste it right into a Word document, or I can save it and import it into place it into a Word document later. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to open up a Word document. I'm going to right click and paste that in there. So there's my image. In Word, if I double click this image, I can choose the text wrap function. So now I can put that image wherever I want it. It'll wrap around text. So that's one use of Jing. I'm going to go ahead and close that. If I look at my history, I will see there's a bunch of Jing captures that I've made previously, and there's the one for today. And if I choose capture again, and this time choose a video capture, I can choose the microphone. Actually, I'm going to not use that microphone because I think there's already a microphone running here. Oh, we'll see what happens. So now that I have a little video, I can talk about how to move that around. I can show you what happens when I open a specific website and say I want you to be able to go here, but if you click here you're going to get another image. So I can do that, and then when I'm done I'm going to finish my video. And let's see, let's hold on here. Jing lets me preview that video, So I can preview it here. And it also lets me share the video with a URL. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that. And if you have somewhat fast internet, this shouldn't take very long. And when this is done, all I have to do is right-click on my mouse and choose Paste, and the URL will be embedded. The first time you launch Jing, you'll be asked to put in an email address and a password. I've never gotten any, that I know of, I've never gotten any advertisements through TechSmith, and I get a gigabyte of space where my captures and videos are stored. And of course you can always buy more space. So we're going to let that load. So as soon as it's finished loading, you'll get that notification. If I right-click and choose Paste, there is the URL from my video. And if I open that, right-click and choose Open the Hyperlink, this will take me to the Jing website. And there's the video that I created, and I can play that. So now that I have a little video, I can talk about how to move that around. I can show you what happens when I... All right, so I got completely transfixed by my own video. Okay, so there we go. So as I was saying, when you're done installing Jing, you will be asked to provide an email and a password. We have Jing on these computers. You can have Jing, you can add Jing on top of any computer, even if it has a desktop freeze, and use your same email and password to access it. So your first assignment is going to be using the Jing video capture, and then we'll be using that as a way to communicate, problem solve throughout the term.